I don't really wanna feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love. Take me all the way. I don't ever wanna feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love. Way, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's Monroe. No, 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 yeah, yeah. And I say, yeah, yeah. Come on, y'all. You gotta like red hot chili peppers. Let's go!
Alright, y'all ready? Here we go. Ride with me. It's lappydog. Alright, you guys, check me out. But let me know what you like about this video or not like.
Oh, come on. That's where I drew some blood. Just I get it on. Like for love. A life away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. I said, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Woo, boy, that red hot chili peppers get your blood pumping in the morning or in the afternoon. This is evening time. I got to go to work. Everybody else is getting off. Oh, Slappy Dog got to go see Mr. Charlie. See if Mr. Charlie get me a piece of the sandwich. Come on, Mr. Charlie, let me get a bite of that old sandwich. Huh? Man, I'm just out here acting crazy on my commute to work, riding the F6B. I was telling the guy the other day that, he said, man, you look cool on them bikes, Slappy. I got to thinking about it for a second. I'm like, is he telling me my bike looks cool or I look cool on the bike? What is the definition of cool? I have seen some real dorky looking people riding on some real nice motorcycles, but they didn't look cool. Can you buy cool? You know, can you, either you're a cool person or you're not a cool person. That's always been me. You could be riding on a damn a trike, you know, cornball trike or something that you don't think is deemed to be cool, and it be a real cool guy on there. Just because of the machine he rides on necessarily make him cool or not cool. Man, if I you know, these are just my random thoughts here. This is not factual. But does a bike make somebody cool? I don't know. I tell you one thing I do know. I think a bike will help you fit in. And then time will tell if you're cool or not. Let me tell you one thing about assholes. You can have the coolest bike in the world, and you may come off as being genuine, and time will tell if you're an asshole or not. There's a difference. There's a fine line between an asshole and a smart ass. And I know what you're asking. What's the difference, Slappy? Well, of course, assholes stink. right? They stink. They smell bad. But a smart ass can be kind of funny if you're not sensitive. Now in the society, in the world we live in today, it's hard to be a smart ass because everybody gets offended by everything. You can't crack jokes on one another no more. You're either a bully or you have offended somebody. But I like to think that I'm a funny person. I like to crack jokes. And if you're that damn sensitive, you ain't gonna be wanting to hang around me too long. Because anybody that knows me know, if you're a friend of me, if you're a friend of mine, I'm probably going to make fun of you and crack jokes on you. That's how you know if I like somebody or not. If you ever see me around somebody and I'm not cracking jokes on them or with them, that means I don't too much care for them too much and I'm just around just to be nice. And I ain't going to be around long to do that. But if I'm cracking jokes on you or talking about your feet or talking about your hair or whatever it is, it may not even be nothing that's wrong, but we just cracking jokes. That's what I was raised up. We crack jokes on people. That's how you know we like them. And if you got a sense of humor, you'll laugh. And then if there's and feel free to fire back. I can take it just as well as I can give it. But if you see me around somebody and I ain't cracking jokes on them, evidently he done something or said something that let me know that he's not a person that you can joke with. In other words, he's too damn sensitive. He has a stick up his ass. He's wound up tight wad, stick in the mud. Whatever you want to call it, those are not my kind of people. I like to laugh and joke, and I can laugh at myself. Shit, I laugh at myself all the time. Sometimes I do these videos and get to cracking jokes and having a good time, and I get to laughing because I done said something crazy or somebody said something crazy that was funny to me. But in the world of today, of social media and everything, everybody is sensitive. And it makes a person like old lappydog, scrounging to find people that's not sensitive that can take a joke. But I find them, because those are the people that I want to be around. Those are my kind of folks. Let's see if I can make this light. Don't you do me like it. Hold on, light. Hold on, light. Woo-hoo-hoo. There we go, baby. Hook it, baby. Hook it, Slappy.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
I better slow my butt down. I better slow it down.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.